In today's video, I am going to teach you how to provide a direct download link to a file hosted on the Files tools in Hubspot. Sometimes you want a link that starts a download right away, instead of sending someone to a preview page in their browser. This is especially helpful when you are sharing PDFs, spreadsheets, or other resources inside an email, behind a button on a page, or inside a call to action. Hubspot makes this simple, as long as you know where to grab the file URL and how to adjust it. First, open your Hubspot account and go to your main navigation. Find Content, then select Files. This takes you into the File Manager where HubSpot stores the assets you have uploaded. If you have a lot of files here, take a moment to locate the exact one you want to share. It is a good idea to confirm the file name so you do not accidentally link to an older version. Next, click directly on the name of your file. This opens the File Details view, where you can see information about the file and access sharing options. In the top right area of the file details, you will see an option that says Copy URL. Click Copy URL to place the file link onto your clipboard. Now open a text field where you can paste and edit the link, like a note, a draft email, or your browser address bar. Paste the URL you just copied. To turn this normal file link into a direct download link, you will add one small piece of text to the end of it. Go to the very end of the URL and append $download equals true, like this. Download $true. Be careful to add it exactly with no spaces and make sure you are adding it at the end of the link. Finally, take that updated link and insert it wherever you want people to download the file. This could be in an email hyperlink, a button on a landing page, or a CTA. When someone clicks it, the file should download directly instead of opening in a preview. That covers everything you need to know.